How to bring 70-year-old paint back to life.
You like Chevys?
All right, making a little bit of progress, getting an idea of what I want to get going here. I took the gauges all apart, cleaned them up nicely, re-detailed them, polished all the rims, all that stuff, made the gauges look good, took the covers, cleaned them, gave them a quick little shot of paint. And I was showing on the last video how I started. This is just polishing it, wiping it down with a piece of Scotch-Brite. It's, shinier. Then I actually went back to the truck. There's a bunch of this pink red primer on here. I started sanding it, you can see there, but it was the same on the top. I spent a little bit of time there, started sanding the pink off with 400 grit until I got to the green. And then I started wet sanding it, and then I just finished it with 400 wet. And then I cut it twice with my polisher. And man, does it ever look like you can see the reflection. Yeah, it's not bad. 50-year-old paint. Well, actually, it's more than that. The truck's from 54, so 70-year-old paint. So I'm gonna sand off all of that primer until I hit the green, and then I'm gonna wet sand that. This is probably the worst little corner that I've got to get rid of paint. And then I'm gonna do the door. I'm gonna sand off that pink. And yeah, there'll be a lot of sanding, a lot of wet sanding. And I think I'm just gonna buffer up and mount it on the cab or mount it on the frame, and then we'll see how I like it from there. If I'm super happy with everything, I'll probably paint the truck after. But this is what's happening today. It'll keep me motivated having this shiny thing in here and making me want to do something with it. So yeah.